Alright, what's up everybody? Today I am very bored, so I'm racing monster trucks off-road. But yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I just bought this truck for $20,000 and my name is Booty Jeffy, but let's do it. So what should I do? Upgrades, I think. I should go to that. Yeah, upgrades. Probably parts. Okay, I'm gonna do block. Should I repair it? I'm gonna. Okay. I have a V4. Oh god, a V4 is crazy. Okay, then probably I'm gonna go supercharger. Actually, no, intake. Never mind, tires. What's going on with tires? Yeah. Those cost too much. Okay, well, I'm just gonna leave those tires on. I think I'm gonna go back and go to panels and repair it a little because it's busted up. Front bumper. Oh, it's free. Let's go. Okay. Panels. Front arc. Hood. I need the hood. Okay, I'm gonna repair. It's only $26. Probably because I just started playing this game. Okay, cabin needs repair, definitely. Hopefully it's free. No cabin looks so weird. Okay, free, let's go. And then the rear, I'm just gonna repair it. Ooh, that's free. I'm gonna do that. Oh, what's my driver like? Okay, basically nothing. Alright. Should I do championship or single player? I think championship, probably. I don't know. Let's do championship. I feel like that'll be better. Okay, the park. I guess select and then just race. Alright. Hopefully I do good. Alright. Let's do this. Guessing I gotta wait till it gets going. Oh, I think it's on the third beep you go. I was too late. Did I win? Oh yeah, I won. I beat him by a lot. Yeah, buddy. Wait, so is it like brackets? Like, do I go on to the next one? Oh, it is. Bet. That's nice. Okay. Oh, I was too late again. I think I won now. Yeah. I won again. Let's go. Alright. I'm facing fragile cargo. Ooh, I was too late again. Ooh, I got it. Boom. Oh, that's like a van. Jack that van. Okay, next I have tired bloke. 1, 2, 3. Boom. I got it that time. Yes, I won by a lot. Let's go. Booty Jeffy won. $2,000? Holy crap. Okay, we unlocked the Gator course. So let's go back to the garage. Okay, I don't have enough for a full repair, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna go to upgrades. Might add attachments. Should I add attachments? I think I should. Actually, I'm gonna repair the grill. Okay. Ooh, those are $0 though. I might. Ooh. I think I'm just gonna repair the original. Okay. I kind of want to add attachments. Not gonna lie. I might repair this first. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Front arc. $100. Okay, I gotta repair the hood now. Should I repair the cabin? Why not? It's free, I might as well. Back net. Okay, I'm gonna add attachments. Oh, wow, that's big. Holy crap. What if I'm gonna... Should I add like a flag? Ooh. I think I'm gonna add this. Looks cool. If I could get it to even go back there. Why is it? No, it's not. It's not what I wanted to do. Click on it. Okay. Alright, I got it. It was kind of annoying, but I got it. Should I add like a flag? Ooh, I'm adding a flag. Wait, no, that's not what I wanted to press. I thought that was flags. Okay. Search. Okay. Flag. Oh, yeah. That looks cool. So I'm gonna put it on like... I know where I'm putting it. Like right there. Nope. It's not moving. Wait. Okay, right there. Boom. That looks pretty cool, actually. Should I add something else? Like, I don't know what else to add. Ooh, I might add like shark teeth. Or one of these like armor things or whatever. They look kind of cool. If I could, never mind. What about the door? No. Okay, they're also small. Yes. I'm gonna put it like right on like the grill. Oh, right there. That looks perfect. Oh yeah. Okay. What is garage? Can I like upgrade my garage? Oh, you can get like more truck capacity. Which mine has 10 right now, since I have the normal garage. Ooh, there was a whole bunch of cars you could buy. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the race. Okay, so basically the point of this next one, you have 2 minutes. It's like a freestyle. You have to get like a good score, and by doing tricks and stuff. So yeah, let's do it. Oh, the thing I put on the back is very annoying, actually. It's like right in the way. I might take that off after this race. Ooh, boom. Take that, van. Take that, van. Oh, take that, camper. I'm in 12th place right now. This isn't good. back wheelie? Oh. I just drifted. This should put me in first if I like that stuff. Yup, first. My truck is muddy. I have a minute and 5 seconds left. This thing has kind of good suspension. It's like not amazing and it's not horrible. It's just in between. Bah! I don't know why I just went bah, but bah. Okay, I have 10 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4. Ooh, that mud's deep. Ooh, I just struggled. 2, 1. Boom, hit that drift. Okay, I got first. Booty Jeff got $2,000. And I got the Big Air achievement. First place, new course unlocked, Marsh Country Club. Okay, I'm back at the garage. Should I repair it? Yeah, why not? Okay, I have $700 for attachment. First of all, I am taking the thing on the back off. It is so annoying. No, that's not what I'm going to press. Panels or attachments, yeah. Okay. There we go. Should I? I'm going to add one of those tires. I'm going to put it like on the back. Smart, right? I could even get it back there. Goodness. Okay, I got it. I gotta size it down a little. It's kind of big. Okay. I get it this one. No, this one. Okay. Boom. Boom. Okay. I get out of that. I need to move it a little. Like center it. Like right there. Boom. That's looking pretty good. Wait. What if I like... What all like attachments are there? Because I know there's a lot. There's jet turbos. Wait. Wait, I don't... Hold on. Wow, there's a whole bunch of... There's propane tanks? What the heck? Ooh, I might put that, like, right... If I could flip it. I don't know why it came in sideways. Okay. If I move it up there... Okay, let me turn around a little. You know what? I'm gonna put this in fast speed. Okay, I got it. Wait, I don't have enough money. No, bro. That looks cool. It's fine. I could add like a decal. It won't let me get rid of this now. Wait, hold on. Okay, I want to add like a pipe. If I could get it longer. No? Okay, what is happening? Didn't do very much. I'm just gonna delete it because it's just being annoying. delete that too. Back. What all is there? There's decals. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna add an American flag. That'll look cool. Where is it? It's a little big. Ooh, there's faces. I'm adding the most goofy face I can find. Found it. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna add I just put the mic by my butt. You might have heard a fart. Anyways, I think I'm doing the trucks off road. I just farted again. Oh, it smells like cheese puffs. Ugh. Oh. Okay, anyways, what is this? I'm gonna fast forward through all this because it's kind of boring. Okay, I didn't change anything on the suspension or anything, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace!